Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is the part 6 of Python tutorials for kids playlist. In this video, we'll be learning about lists in Python. If you have not watched my previous video, go and watch it. In the previous video, we learned about operators in Python. So without wasting time, let's start. So if you have not yet visited my Python tutorials for kids playlist, go and visit it, and don't forget to subscribe Code with Niranjan too. So let us start our video. I'll quickly open my Python IDE here and I'll create a new file to write code. So I'll create both of them aside. So to create a list, you can just write the list name you want, such as my list equals to, and to store data you have to use rounded brackets. So you can store any type of data, string, integers or floats. So for now I'll add strings here, such as my list is equal to Niranjan. Then I'll add banana and I'll add another apple. And now I'll save the document to run the code. So I'll save this as v6 as is the c6 video, v6 list. And now I'll print the document. I'll print my list. And now if I run the module, I get Niranjan, banana and apple. So we get results in single quotes if we print the list. So if we print the type of the list, we get class list because this is a list. And if you print the length of this list, so length function helps us to print the length of the data. So if we print the length of the my list, we get 3 because there are 3 values stored. So if I add another value such as 21, so we get 4 here. So we get 4 because there are 4 data stored inside my list. So now I'll comment this code and I'll add another print function and I'll add my list. Then I'll add square brackets. So this helps us to do list slicing. So if we use 1 here, we get only banana because Niranjan is 0, banana is 1 and apple is 2. So these are the list slicing. In Python, the list slicing starts from 0, not in 1. And if we print 0 here, we get Niranjan because 0 is Niranjan. So if we use 0 colon, then it will print everything because this will print from Niranjan to apple. So if we print if you use 1 colon, then we will get only banana and apple because banana is 1. So colon gives the results after the number. So if we add 0 to 1 and if we run the code, we get only Niranjan. And if we use 2 here, I think we get banana. Yes, we got banana. And if we use 3, we get everything, Niranjan, banana, apple. So these are the list slicing. So can also use colon 3 here. This will print everything because this will start from end. So if we use colon 2, this will only print from banana to Niranjan. And if we use -1 here, we get nothing because there is nothing stored in -1. So I'll add more items here such as code Tom 21, 40.5, and now there are lots of lists here. So if we print everything, my list, then so I'll remove this bracket. If we print, we get lots of data. So if we print the length of the my list, then we get 7. So there are 7 data: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So now I'll add my list bracket and I'll add 1 colon 1 colon 1. So I added 1. I got nothing because now if I run the code, I get everything. Yeah. So you can also change the values of this list. So if I use my list and so you can also insert data such as my list dot insert equals to, then you have to bracket here, then you have to use, you can write the numbers in which you can change the data, and I want to change as Niranjan. And now if I print my list, I get Niranjan banana, Niranjan apple, code from 21, but we haven't added Niranjan after the banana. So insert function helps to insert a data. So the next one is remove function. So remove function helps to remove data. So I'll add Niranjan here. Now if we run the module, error message if we use the unavailable number. So now if I add Niranjan banana instead of Niranjan, I get Niranjan apple 4 now. So the banana has been removed. So you can also use pop to remove a number, such as I want to remove 2 second position here. So now the apple has been erased. So pop helps to remove a position and remove helps to remove our data. Next one is append function. So this helps to add a data at the end, such as I'll add hi, and now if I run the module, I get hi here, but we haven't added hi. So append function helps to add a data at the end. Then the next function is extend. So to use extend function, I'll copy this list again, my list 2, and I'll add only hey and extend. So I'll copy the my list 2 and paste it in the extend tab, and now if I run code, I get hey. So extends helps to add another list at the end. So I'll add another list item, how are you, and if I run the module, I get Niranjan banana, hey how are you. So extend function helps to add another list inside a list. So the next one is clear function, which clears everything. So if you use clear function and run the module, you get nothing. So clear function removes everything. So the next function is sort. So sort helps to sort the items. So if you want to use sort function, then you have to only use either integer or an string. So now I have changed the list, and now I get this sorted list. So there are changes in position, such as I added banana at the last and I got in second position. So this will sort. So I got Niranjan because I made it with a letter. So if I remove Niranjan, I get the Niranjan in the last letter. So you should not use a number inside the list. So I'll add hey, and if I run the code, we get in sorted way. So this is about sort. You get in reverse order. So reverse will only work with integers or floats. So reverse will not work in strings. So we got an error message here. If this is an integer is required, we got type str because the type of this list is string and there is only one integer here. So that's it for this video. If you have not subscribed my channel yet, go and subscribe it, and don't forget to visit the Python tutorial for this playlist too. So I'll provide the playlist link in the description box. If you like this video, then share with your friends, and I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.